Now what we'll do today, we'll move on to the new fresh place. Okay, we'll do descriptive statistics and probability.
Okay.
Only when you do that, you will be able to get into correlation and regression analysis. Okay,
Okay.
so these two things we will do. Very interesting topics. You already know a little bit on statistics and probability, so we'll build on that. So it's not a new topic. So this will be third year we are studying it. Studied 9th standard, right?
Yeah.
And 10th standard also you studied. So no issues. We'll study it again, but this time we'll study more things on it. Okay. Let me start sharing the screen. Okay. Descriptive statistics and probability. Okay. Now, after studying this chapter, what you'll be able to understand? Measures of central tendency like arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. In 9th standard and 10th standard, you studied only arithmetic mean. Okay. Here you will study geometric mean and harmonic mean. They'll be used in different situations. We'll see where. Geometric mean will be used in situations where there are changes over the years. The population is changing or something. There you have to use geometric mean. Harmonic mean will be used in conditions where there are rates, kilometers per hour, miles per second, or kilometers per liter, something like that, where rates are given. That kind of situation, the harmonic mean is better to use. Then we'll study the relationship among the averages. Usually arithmetic mean will be the highest, then geometric mean will be next highest, then harmonic mean will be the lowest. Okay, when you calculate like that it will come. We'll see how that is done. Then related positional measures like quartiles, deciles, and percentiles that we will study. Actually, you'll be studying that only first. Okay, so quartiles, median. So quartile is you have 3 medians, then it becomes quartile. Okay, what I mean by that? Okay, suppose you have a group of data. Group of data is there. And data is there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 data is there. This is the median, correct? Okay. Now, in quartile, this will be Q2. Okay. This place will be Q1. And this place will be Q3. So, you will divide 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will divide the data array into 4 parts by having 3 extensions of the medians. Q2 will be the median. Q1 will be the median for this part.
1, 2, yeah.
Okay. And Q3 will the median for this part, like that. Okay. That becomes quartiles. Okay. So divide, quartile means quarter. Quarter means 1 by 4. So divide the entire data by arranging it ascending order into 4 pieces. And then you take Q1, Q2, and Q3, which are 3 medians you get. Okay. Then means that is quartile. Now, what is decile? Decile means whatever data you are having, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's say you have 20. Divide the data into 10 pieces.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Divide the data in 10 pieces. This will be D1. This will be D2.
D2.
This will be D3.
D3. Okay.
Like that till D9 you get. D9. Okay.
When on D10, uncle?
D10 won't be there. You are dividing it into 10 pieces.
Okay.
If you're dividing it into 10 pieces, you'll chop it at 9 places.
Okay.
If you're dividing it at into 4 pieces, you'll chop it in 3 places. Q1,
Okay.
Q2, and Q3. You will chop it at 3 places, you will get 4 pieces. Understand?
Okay.
If you are dividing it into 10, you will chop it into 4, into 9. Okay. So that will means Q1 will give you the first piece of data. Okay. Q2 will give you second piece. Q3 will be third piece. Like that you will get. Here you will get first pieces will be this one. Second piece will be 2/10. Okay. Third piece will be 3/10. Fourth piece will be 4/10. Like that it will go on. Okay. And in order to get the position, you have to use a very simple formula. Okay, you will have to use suppose q of 3 I need means you will have to put 3 by 4 quartile. Q means quartile, so this will be 4 into n plus 1. That is be the n plus 1 item. You have to get it. Okay, so q3 will be the 3 by 4 into n plus 1 item. Like that you have to take. D6 will be what do you say, 6 by 10th into n plus 1 item. Okay. Suppose there are how many items? There are say n is equal to in a set of data there are 20 items. You say, okay, there are 20 items. N plus 1 will be sorry. Let us say there are 21 items. Suppose in a piece of there are 21 items. N plus 1 will be 21 plus 1. That will be 22. 22 by 10 into 6. That is what 22 into 6 is how much?
66. Sorry.
22 into 6, 12.
12.
Again 12, 13. 132nd, 132. கீழே வந்து 10 இருக்கு. 132 by 10 means 13.2th item. Okay. So what that means is there is a row of 20 items. You have 1, 5, 7, 10, 11, whatever you have, 33, 35, like that. 20 items are there. Number of items you could do 20, 21, let's say 21. Okay. You want the D of D6 you want. Okay. You want D6. Then what you have to do? You have to use D6 equal to this 6 will go there. Okay. Because it is the decile. This is not quartile, decile. So this always base will be 10. Then n is your 21. N plus 1 is 22. 22 by 6, like that you have to find out. We'll go into the details now. Then you will start understanding it more clearly. Okay. Then third one is percentile. Percentile means if you have some piece of data, let us say you have 1000 items. N is equal to 1000. Now you are dividing it into 100. Okay. So P of 1, P of 2, P of 3, P of 4, like that P of 99 you will have. You're chopping it by 99 cases into 100 pieces. Okay. That means each piece will have 10 items, like that. So this is percentile calculation, median. Okay.
Okay.
So there is a quartile median, there is a decile median, there is a percentile median. Quartile median will be Q1, Q2, Q3. That's all. Only 3 will be there. Decile median will be D1 to D9. Okay. Then percentile median will be P1, P2, like that up to P99. So these are each of them is referring to an item. Okay. Suppose you add 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Divide Q1, Q2, Q3. Divide by Q1, Q2, Q3. Now, what is the first item? Q1. This one.
Oh, 1.
Wait. We will do that by Q1 is equal to 1. What I said, 1 into n plus 1 item by 4 by 4th item. That is equal to n is 4. N is 4 here. 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4. That is equal to 1.2th item. If you round it off, it will get first item. 1.2, you round it off, this 2 will go off. So first item. So Q of 1 is equal to 1 here. Like that. Q of 2 is equal to will be what? 1 into 4 plus 1 Q of 2. 2 into 4 plus 1 by 4. This will go 2 times. 5 by 2. That is equal to 2.5. Okay. 2.5 means in the round off you will get 3. Okay. Because 2.5 will become 3 when you round off. So Q2 will be 3. Okay, let us see Q3. Q3 is equal to 3 into 4 plus 1 by 4. Okay, that is equal to 3 into 5 by 4. This is 15 by 4. That is equal to 3.75. This will be the fourth item. You round off 3.75 will be fourth item. What is the fourth item? Fourth item is 4. So Q3 is equal to 4, like that. So quartile 3. So this is all like median. Okay, what is actually the median? For 1, 2, 3, and 4, the median is 2.5. Correct. It will be this plus this by 2. 2.5 median. So like that, you take Q1, Q2, Q3, like that. So different medians. So இதுக்கு 1 and 2 க்கு median வந்து இங்க வரும். 3 and 4 க்கு median இங்க வரும். அந்த மாதிரி நம்ம எடுத்துக்கணும். Okay. Let us get into the subject inside. So measures of dispersion like quartile deviation and then mean deviation. Those two also we have to find out. Quartile deviation is what? Mean deviation is what? Then relative measures like coefficient of quartile division and coefficient of mean deviation. See, what you have is quartile deviation is one thing. Okay, for example, quartile deviation is Q3 minus Q by 2. Okay, coefficient of quartile division will be Q3 minus Q1 by Q3 plus Q1. Okay, like that you will get. This is coefficient. Okay, what is the difference between central tendencies? Measures of central tendencies versus measures of dispersion. What is the difference between these two? Can you tell me?
I don't know. Okay.
Measures of central tendency means data is there. So much data is there. Okay. What it is showing is where is the data centered. That is a measure of central tendency. Okay. Now, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the median measure of central tendency? Median is 3. Okay. Now, minus 1, 1. Wait, let me do something else. 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, minus 1, minus 3. Okay. Minus 1, minus 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here also median is
3.
3 only. Okay. Median is the measure of central tendency, but this is very close together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, very close together. But this is further apart. Okay. So this is called dispersion. How much they are further apart. The gap and the range or gap between the data. Gap between the data is measure of dispersion. Okay. Where the data is centered. Okay, that is the measure of central tendency. That is the difference. So you need both. Only if you have both, you will get a correct idea of the data. Only having measure of central tendency will not give you that thing. Okay, so you need both. You need both measures of dispersion and measures of central tendency. That is the thing. Then concept of conditional problem, and this is all. This only till statistics. This one. The other two are conditional probability and multiplication theorem. Then Bayes theorem. So 2 theorem and its application. That's all we're going to find out here. Okay. Now let us start. Measure of central tendency. One of the most important objectives of statistic analysis is get that one single value that describes the characteristic of the entire value of for the data. Okay. So this is the measure of central tendency. Measure of central tendency is one single value that describes the characteristic of the entire value of data. And the single value வச்சு கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். Okay, such a value represents the measure of central tendency of the complete data. Usually அந்த daily lifeல average யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா? அது averageன்ற வார்த்தை வந்து is connotation measure of central tendency. Average boy in a class, average height, இதெல்லாம் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றோம். Okay. Now this guy is a Ronald Fisher. You might have an objective answer. He is the father of statistics, and he made various contributions here. Sir Ronald Fisher, you remember his name? See
Okay.
photo, and that's all. Average la வந்து என்னன்னா இருக்குது, average la arithmetic mean இருக்கு. This you learned in 9th and 10th standard. Median
ஆமா.
also you learned in 9th and 10th standard. Mode also you learned there. Two new things you will have to learn only now is geometric mean and harmonic mean. Okay, I mean
Geometric and harmonic.
geometric mean and harmonic mean. These are the two new things that you'll have to learn. Okay, now let us first revise arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean discrete case. Okay, discrete case means 1, 5, 9, 15, like that. Discrete data is given. Okay, continuous data means class of data. 0 to 10 class la வந்து 5 fellows are there. Okay, age group 10 to 20 la வந்து 6 fellows are there. 20 to 30 la வந்து 15 fellows are there. If you get like this, what is this called? This is called continuous data, non-discrete data. Okay, but if you get only single point data, okay, you can also get 1 occurs 5 times, 5 occurs 10 times, 9 occurs 3 times, 15 occurs 4 times. This is also discrete data only. Okay, because point data with frequency, x with frequency. So this is also discrete. Okay, only when you guess that class interval which base பண்ணி வரும்போது it is called what? Continuous data. Okay, because data is coming with class interval. Okay, I hope you understood all this difference in your earlier class itself. You are revising. Remembering now, little bit.
Yeah.
Arithmetic mean of a set of observations is the sum divided by the number of observations. Very simple. Okay, what is the arithmetic mean of 1, 2, 3, 4? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 1 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number is n is equal to 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 4.
10 by 4.
That is equal to 2.5. This is arithmetic mean. Okay. Usually you define it by x bar. You know this one. Nothing to study further in this one. Okay. Arithmetic mean நமக்கு தெரியும். Let us go to the next one. இதுல வந்து shortcut method. இது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். ஏன்னா shortcut method என்ன பண்ணுவான்? நீ என்ன எடுத்துக்குவ arithmetic meanல you will take a is equal to 3 ன்னு எடுத்துக்குவ. எடுத்துக்கின்னு 1, 2, 3, 4ல வந்து you will say deviation is equal to x minus a. So 1 minus 3 will be minus 2. 1 minus 2, so 1 minus 1 will be 0. Sorry, 1 minus 3 only. 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Then a is again 1 minus 2 minus 3.
Okay.
2 minus 3 minus 1.
Okay.
Then 3 minus 3 0. Then 4 minus 3 1. Okay. So then you will start calculating sigma d. This is d. No, d is what? Minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. So sigma d is what? 1 and 1 will cancel, 0 will go off, minus 2. Sigma d is minus 2. Okay. N is 4 again. So minus 2 by 4. That is equal to minus half. So a plus minus half. What is a? A was 3. So a was 3 plus minus 0.5 is equal to 2.5. You got it? This is shortcut method. It will be
what is a long cut method, uncle?
Long cut method is the regular method. You just do calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. The 3, 6, 10 by 4 is equal to 2.5. Now, long cut method and shortcut method. Shortcut method will not look like shortcut method when you have only 4 pieces of data. When you have 50 pieces of data, okay, then shortcut method will be short.
Okay.
When you have 5 or 10 pieces of data, regular method will be okay. Discrete data method. Okay. Regular method is just count everything and divide it by the number of items. Okay. Then group data. See, group data, don't confuse group data with continuous data. Okay. Group data means you have frequency. X is occurring. Okay. 5 is occurring 2 times. 6 is occurring 3 times. 7 is occurring 1 time. 8 is occurring 5 times. Like that, if you give, what happens? This is the value of x, this is the value of the frequency. Okay, so sigma f of fx divided by n is equal to sigma f. So frequency is 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 1, 5 plus 3 6, 6 plus 5 11. So n is equal to 11. N is always nothing but sigma of f. Sigma na enna sum. Sigma na sum na sigma f na n. N inga enna, n is 11. Okay, then sigma fx you should take f into x. You have to add another column f into x. 5 into 2 10, 6 into 3 18, 7 into 1 7, 8 into 5 40, 40 plus 7 47, 57, then 65 75. Okay, so this is 75. So sigma fx is equal to 75. Then n is equal to sigma f is equal to 11. Okay, so mean is equal to 75 by 11 then. Okay, something it will come 6.9 or something it will come x bar equal to. Okay, this is group data direct method. Okay, group data
indirect method.
Now you have to have group data shortcut method again. Group data shortcut method. You are all revising. Okay, you are not learning anything. Everything was learned in 9th and 10th standard. Again, you take one assumed mean. Okay, what was the data that we had? You மறந்து போச்சா?
2.5 நினைக்கிறேன்.
இல்ல இது போட்டோம். சரி, அது விடு. இதுல என்னன்னா, need not assumed mean is, let us say 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 வரைக்கும் இருக்குதுன்னு வச்சுக்கேன். அதுல வந்து ஈச் இதோடைய frequency வந்து 2, இதோடைய frequency 3, இது வந்து 1 frequency, இதோடைய frequency 5, இதோடைய frequency 7, இதோடைய frequency 1, அது மாதிரி 10 உடைய frequency 2 இப்படி இருக்குது. என்ன பண்ணுவேன், assumed meanல வந்து d calculate பண்ணணும். d is equal to okay, assumed mean minus a. I mean 1 minus assumed mean. Suppose assumed mean you assume 5. Okay, assume 5. 1 minus 5 minus 4. Okay, 2 minus 5 minus 3. D will be like that. D column. This is D column. D column will come like this. 10 minus 5 will be 5. 9 minus 5 will be 4, 3, 2. இப்படி வரும். ரைட்டா? இது என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு? D. Sigma D. அப்போ frequency வந்து 1, frequency என்ன ஆகுது? Frequency was 2, frequency was 3, frequency of 1, frequency of 5. So இது multiply பண்ணு. 4 into 2 minus 8. என்ன? இது வந்து sigma FD. இது FD. FD எல்லாத்தையும் calculate பண்ணி, இந்த column ஃபுல்லா calculate பண்ணினா இங்க என்ன வரும்? sigma FD வரும். ஓகே, அந்த மாதிரி sigma FD calculate பண்ணிட்டு D இங்க வந்திருக்குது. இப்போ what is the formula? Sigma FD by n. N is nothing but sigma f again, cumulative sum of the frequency. What is the frequency? இதெல்லாத்தையும் calculate பண்ணணும். 2 plus 3 plus 1, 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus whatever. அதெல்லாத்தையும் calculate பண்ணிட்டு, let us say that is coming to 30. Okay, so this is coming to 400. So say A plus assumed mean was 5. 5 plus 400 by 30 or whatever, or 40 by 30. Okay, or 4 by 3. 5 plus 1.33. Adi vanda 6.33. This is the shortcut method again. Okay, like that you will get. All this is you have already seen, so we cannot go into it. Now direct method, this is arithmetic mean for continuous case. What I told is continuous case. What is the difference? இது வரைக்கும் பார்த்ததெல்லாம் வந்து discrete case. Continuous case ல என்ன வந்துரும்? Class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 அப்படி வந்துரும். Class interval. அந்த இன்டர்வல்ல வந்து இது கிளாஸ். ஓகே, கிளாஸ் இன்டர்வல் உடைய லென்த் வந்து c is 10. அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணுவோம் நம்ம? frequency இதுல வந்து 5 வாட்டி வருது, 2 வாட்டி வருது, இதுல 1 வாட்டி வருது, அப்படி வரும். அப்படி வருது. கிளாஸ் உடைய மிட் பாயிண்ட் எடுத்துக்கணும். கிளாஸ் மிட் பாயிண்ட் தான் m. 0 to 10 மிட் பாயிண்ட் வந்து 5, 10 to 5 வந்து 15, 20 to 30 வந்து 25 மிட் பாயிண்ட். இப்படி மிட் பாயிண்ட் எடுத்துக்கணும். f into m 5 into 5 25. f into m ரைட்டா? 2 into 15 30, இங்க 1 into 25 25 இது fm. அப்புறம் சிக்மா fm வந்து இதோட எல்லாத்தையும் சம் 25 plus 25 plus 30 is equal to 130 sigma fm. So sigma fm 130. Value of n வந்து frequency. n is equal to always sigma frequency. Okay. 5 plus 2 plus 1 ன்னு வெச்சுக்கோ. 5 6 7 8 இது வந்து 8. So 130 by 8 அதுதான் வந்து x bar. Okay. On average எவ்வளவு 1 times போதா 50 ல வந்து 6 times போகுது. So 16.14 to 16.25 the x bar. இந்த மெத்தட்ல போட்டா டைரக்ட் மெத்தட். சரியா? டைரக்ட் மெத்தட். இது எல்லாமே ரிவிஷன். நீங்க 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் புக் எடுத்து பாத்தீனா
ஆமா ஆமா ஆமா
விஷயமும் அங்க இருக்கும். ஜஸ்ட் ரிவிஷனுக்கு உங்களுக்கு ஞாபகம் ஊட்றேன் நான். ஓகே, இதுலயே ஷார்ட்கட் மெத்தட் இருக்குது. ஷார்ட்கட் மெத்தட் வந்து ஸ்ட்ரைட் மெத்தட் வந்து a இதே மாதிரி தான் ஷார்ட்கட் a plus sigma ft by n அதே ஃபார்முலா தான் இங்க யூஸ் பண்ணோம். ஓகே, ஆனா இது சிக்மா fd ல வந்து d உடைய வேல்யூ என்ன அப்படின்றது தான் டிஃபர் ஆகும். ஓகே, இங்க d is equal to midpoint minus a. இந்த இடத்துல வந்து fd a plus fd by இதுல வந்து d was equal to what? x minus a, x value minus a. இங்க வந்து midpoint value minus a. midpoint வந்து கிளாஸ்ல வந்து class 0 to 10 னா midpoint 5. ஓகே, அப்போ 5 minus a. Suppose you assumed mean is 5, assumed mean is 5, then 5 minus 5 0. Okay, m minus a is equal to 0. Next class வந்து 10 to 20, அதுல வந்து 15 வந்து 15 minus 5 equal to 10 assumed தான் m minus a is equal to 10. so இது sum எல்லாம் calculate பண்ணுவேன். so d is equal to 0 10 maybe then 15 அப்படி வரும். so sigma fd வந்து என்ன ஆயிடும்? 15 plus 10 plus 0 அப்படின்னா 25. sigma fd 25 ஆயிடும். so இது வந்து 25 ஆயிடும். n is always sigma f, that is means the sum of all the frequencies. Okay, then you divide that by sigma f, முடிஞ்சு போச்சு வேலை. அங்க so இதுல என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ்னா கிளாஸ் உடைய மிட் பாயிண்ட் கண்டுபிடிச்சி d வந்து will be taken as midpoint minus a. இங்க வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவேன்? டைரக்டா x உடைய வேல்யூல இருந்து a மைனஸ் பண்ணுவேன். டைரக்டா x ல இருந்து a மைனஸ் பண்ணுவேன். அது deviation. இங்க வந்து மிட் பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து a மைனஸ் பண்ணுவேன். அது deviation. but the formula remains the same. a plus sigma ft the same square. Okay, இதுல இன்னொரு மெத்தட் தான் ஸ்டெப் டிவியேஷன் மெத்தட். I hope you remember that method. ஸ்டெப் டிவியேஷன்ல வந்து again கிளாஸ் இன்டர்வல் எடுப்போம். கிளாஸ் இன்டர்வல் வந்து இப்போ 0 to 10 10 to 20 20 to 30 இருக்குதுன்னா இந்த கிளாஸ் இன்டர்வல் 0 to 10 c is equal to 10 இதுதான் கிளாஸ் இன்டர்வல். ஓகே, அதுலயே வந்து மிட் பாயிண்ட் எடுத்துக்கிறா மைனஸ் a எடுத்துக்கிறா, d வந்து மிட் பாயிண்ட். ஆனா ஒரு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஸ்டெப் செய்யணும். you have to divide by 10. okay, you have to divide by 10. so when you divide by 10 in the final formula, what you will have to do, you have to multiply by 10. அதான் டிஃபரன்ஸ். ஓகே, இங்க என்ன வருது? a plus sigma ft by n. இங்க என்ன வருது? a plus sigma ft by n into c. ஓகே, இதுல என்ன d வந்து என்ன வருது? m minus a. இங்க வந்து d என்ன வருது? m minus a by c. இது எல்லாமே இது எதுவுமே வந்து இதுல நம்ம சொல்லி கொடுக்க முடியாது. we are all doing the revision. Okay, all the above three methods of finding arithmetic mean continuous case give us the same answer. Okay, இது எல்லாமே நம்ம பார்த்துட்டோம். மோடுனா என்னது? மோடுனா என்னது சொல்லு. வாட்ஸ் மோட்?
மோட் வந்து
okay, I'll give you an example. இதுல எது மோடு?
three uncle it like repeats.
One which occurs the maximum number of times.
Yeah, it repeats uncle.
Okay, okay, median பண்ணுவோம். இது எது மீடியன்? 7 தான் மீடியன். மீடியன் எப்படின்னா பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1 2 3 4 5 5 plus 1 by 2. Okay, 6 by 2. Okay, this is equal to third item. Third item will be median. Okay, either it will be n by 2 item or n plus 1 by 2th item. Okay, அவ்வளவுதான். இப்போ வந்து 4 தான் கொடுக்குறோம். 1 2 3 4 கொடுக்குறோம்னா அதுல எப்படி வரும் அப்படின்னா
2 minus 3 அப்படியா அங்க
n and n plus 1 இது ரெண்டுமே எடுத்துக்கணும் இல்லையா? n by 2 and n plus 1 by 2 அதனுடைய ஆவரேஜ் அங்க இருக்கு. அப்போ 4 by 2 வந்து 2. அப்போ 4 by
2 plus 1
2 ஆமா இது ரெண்டுத்துடைய ஆவரேஜ் 2 plus 3 by 2 that is equal to 5 by 2 that is equal to 2.5 அப்படியே எடுத்துக்கணும். அதான். So when even numbers come it is different. When odd numbers come very easy, n plus 1 by 2. When even numbers come only you have to do it slightly differently. That is median. So median is a positional measure. That's why you call it positional. But before you arrange first data update you have to arrange the data in increasing order. Okay, ascending order la பண்ணிட்டு அப்படி செய்யணும். So என்ன சொல்லிட்டான் பாரு, believe the students might be familiar with the above concepts and our present syllabus continues from the following. இப்போதான் நம்ம நிஜமான விளையாட்டே நம்ம ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம் இது வரைக்கும். So நிஜமான விளையாட்டுல what we are going to start is quartiles, deciles and percentiles. Okay. Besides median, there are other measures which divide a series into equal parts. These are the quartiles, deciles and percentiles. Okay. Now let us start with quartile. I told you. Now each portion, a measure which divides an array into 4 equal parts is known as quartile. See, that's why I told you. If there are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, இப்படி divide பண்ணிடுச்சுனா இது Q1, இது Q2, இது Q3. So any array of data which is divided into 4 equal parts, okay, that is called as a quartile. Okay, so you will have Q1, Q2 and Q3. Q1 is first quartile, Q3 is second quartile and Q3 is third quartile. The first lowest quartile will have 25% of the items. Okay, and the array la 25% of the items இருக்கும். Q3 will have 75% of the items. Okay. Q2 will have 50% of the items below it and 50% above it. Okay. Q3 will have 75% below it and 25% above it, like that. Now, what is decile now? Decile also very simple. Decile values which divide the series into 10 equal parts. Get 9 dividing positions. So what D1 to D9 you will get. Okay. So there are 9 deciles. It is noted that D5 is equal to median. Find D5 na is the same as saying find the median. Adhe mari find the Q2 nalum is the same as finding the median. D5 and Q2 are the median. Same way P50 find percentile 50, that is also median only. Okay. All these are same. What do you have to do? What is percentile? Measure which divides an array into 100 equal parts. So you'll have P1, P2 up to P99. Okay. So there are 99 percentiles, there are 9 deciles, and there are 3 what do you call that? Quartiles. That's all, 3 quartiles. Okay. Now we will find computations for related positional measure. Okay, these are all related positional measures because they are very much like the median. Median is a positional measure. So your quartile, decile and percentile, they are also positional measures. Okay, positional measure na enna theriyudha? And array வந்து ascending order la போட்டு இங்க எடுக்கிறோம் இல்லையா? மீடியன் வந்து இங்க எடுக்கிறோம். அது ஒரு சென்ட்ரல் பொசிஷன். இது வந்து குவார்டர் பொசிஷன், இது 3/4 பொசிஷன். அதனால அது மாதிரி இது மாதிரி 100 டிவைட் பண்ணிட்டு 100 பொசிஷன்ஸ் எடுத்தா பெர்சன்டைல். 10 டிவைட் பண்ணி எடுத்தா 10 பொசிஷன் T1. So these are all positional measures. Okay, so that is the idea. Okay, now let us take ungrouped data and we will see the how to get that like the median, how to get the quartile, how to get Q1, Q3, Q2. Okay, Q1 is equal to n plus 1. See, suppose the what you having, the array is having 10 data.
Okay.
Should imagine array is having 10 data, then n is equal to 10. Okay, in this case q1 is equal to, okay, q1 is equal to 10 plus 1 divided by 4. Okay, that means
Uncle,
11
why
divided
isn't
by
n 9, uncle? N is equal to 9.
10 plus 1 is 11.
No, uncle, for the other one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, other thing la.
No, now we are doing quartile. Forget
Okay.
that decile. You are doing quartile. இது வரைக்கும் quartile. I'm teaching you how to take the quartile. Q1, Q2, Q3 எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா இதான் ஃபார்முலா. Q1க்கு வந்து இங்க இந்த 1 வந்து இங்க வரும். சைலண்டா இங்க ஒரு 1 இருக்கும். So 1 இருக்கிறதுனால drop பண்ணிட்டான். Okay. Now number of items in the array is 10. This is the array. 10 values are there. So 10 plus 1 is 11 by 4. 11 by 4 is 3.75. Correct? So that means fourth item. Sorry, 2.75 means third item. Third value. அப்போ இதுதான் q1 is equal to 3. புரியுதா? எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? இப்போ q3 கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். இந்த 3 வந்து இங்க வந்துரும். Okay, 4 will remain 4. Quartile நாலே denominator 4. Decile na denominator 10. புரியுதா? Percentile na denominator 100. இங்க என்ன வேல்யூ வருதோ அந்த வேல்யூ இங்க வந்துடணும். இங்க 60 னா இங்க 60, இங்க 2 னா இங்க 2. இது decile னா இங்க 10 வந்துடணும் இமிடியேட்டா. புரியுதா? இது வந்து காமன் n plus 1 n plus 1 எல்லாத்துக்கும் n plus 1 தான், வேற ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. That is the simplest way. So formula is very easy to remember. If it is quartile, denominator is 4. If it is decile, denominator is 10. If it is percentile, denominator is 100. Okay, everywhere numerator is n plus 1, but it will be multiplied by this number. Which one you want, that will go here. If you want d1, then 1 will come here. Okay, now let us find we saw now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. இதுல வந்து d1 எடுக்கணும். இப்போ n is 10 plus 1 11. 11 by 10. Okay, 11 by 10 is equal to 1.1th item. That is 1th item. 1th item 1. So இதான் d1. Okay, d2 வந்து 2 into n plus 1. n வந்து again 10 plus 1 by 10. இது 2. 11 by 10 into 2. Okay, 1.1 into 2 is 2.2. அப்போ second item. இது வந்து d2 வேல்யூ. புரியுதா? எப்படி d2 கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? இப்போ percentile இதுக்கு எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? p60 எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுனா 60 into 10 plus 1 by 100. Okay, that is 60 into 11 by 100. இது கட் பண்ணனும் வெச்சுக்கோ, இது கட் ஆயிடும். 6 into 11 66 by 10 6.6. 6.6th item will be rounded off to 7th item. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. இதான் p60. Percentile 60th item is 7. Okay, understood. Percentile 99th item எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா 99 into 10 plus 1 divided by 100. Okay, 10 plus 1 is 11. 99 into 11 divided by 100. Okay, 99 into 11 99. இது ஒரு 99.
Uncle, why we taking n as 10, uncle? And n why we taking?
இதுல 10 values தான் பாருக்குது.
Okay.
அரேல 10 values இருக்கு. Number of values is 10. That is only n. In the given group of data, how many data are there? That is only n.
Okay,
understood. Okay. Suppose the 23 items were given, then n will be 23.
Okay,
நம்ம ஒரு simplicity n is equal to 10 எடுத்துட்டோம். Okay, 9 plus 0 9, 9 ல இது 18, 9 plus 1 1089. Okay, 1089 divided by 100. 1089 divided by 100. 10.89. That means 11th item. அப்படி வருது. 11th item வந்து இங்க 10 ஐட்டம்ஸா இருக்குது. ஸோ 10 தான் வந்து இங்க விஷயம் வரும். 99 into 11 வருது. Wait, we'll just find that out. P of 99 is equal to 99 into 11 by 100. Just use calculator one. Just check it out. ஆமா 10.89 தான் கரெக்ட். 10.89th item will be 11th item. So 11th item இல்லாதனால 10th item தான் எடுத்துக்க முடியும். So that will be 10. Okay. Now let us clear all this. Actually Q2 is equal to D5 is equal to P50. எல்லாம் மீடியன். நீ தலைய சொல்லுங்க தேவையில்ல. D5 கேட்டாலே மீடியனை கண்டுபிடிச்சிரு. P50 கேட்டாலும் மீடியனை கண்டுபிடிச்சிடணும். Q2 கேட்டாலும் மீடியனை கண்டுபிடிச்சிடணும். All the same. Okay. Now let us find a example problem, then you'll understand. Find D2 and D6 for the following series. Okay. எத்தனை இருக்குது? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So n is equal to 11. Okay, correct? You have to arrange them in ascending order. So they are arranged in ascending order. 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 அப்படியே ascending orderல போயாச்சு. Size of D2 வந்து இது 2 இல்ல, இந்த 2 நால இங்க 2 வந்துறணும். n வந்து எவ்வளவு? 11. So 2 into 11 plus 1 by 10. 11 plus 1 is 12 by 10 into 2. 24 by 10. That is equal to 2.4th item. Abdina second item. Okay. So second item. What is the 2.4th item? Value of second item is, please don't. 4. So the value is 4. So D2 is equal to 4. That's how you find out. Very simple. Now same way, size of 7.2th item D6. 7.2 item and the 7th item. Okay. What is the 7th item? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14. 14 is the 7th item. This is the way you find out. Very easy. Very, very easy to do this. Only thing is, make sure you are arranging in ascending order before you start off. Okay. Now you are getting frequency, marks and frequency. So no, you not got anything. Okay. Now here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N is equal to 7. Right?
Yeah.
Number of values, n is equal to 7. Okay. So the size Q1 is asking find the value of Q1, Q3, D6 and P50. P50 none on median.
Okay.
P50 equal to median. So very easy to find out P50 median. Okay. Q1, Q3 you have to find out now. Q1 inga 1 silent வருது. N வந்து 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 by 4 எவ்வளோ? 2. Second item value is 15. So correct? Q1 is equal to 15 on the chart. Very simple. You got it, no?
Can you explain again, uncle?
N plus 1. N is 7 bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items
Okay,
are there. N is equal to 7. 7 data items are there. N plus 7 by 4th item. N is 7 is 7 plus 1, 8.
8. Okay.
So second item.
Okay, now I understand.
Second item is the second item. In the problem over. Okay. Q3 எடுக்கணும் அப்போ. இப்போ now I told you this 3 will always come here. Okay. Remaining will be the same. N plus 1 and 4 will remain the same. So 3 into n is 7 plus 1 by 2. That is 3 into 8 by 2.
8 by 4.
Okay. 12th item. Oh, sorry.
8 by 4 no, uncle.
8 by 4. Ama. 2. 6th item. 6th item. What is the 6th item?
40.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th item.
40.
Correct. போட்டுக்கறானான் பாரு. 40.
40.
6th item 40. முடிச்சிட்டான். அவ்வளவுதான் வேலை. ரொம்ப சிம்பிள் இதுவும். Then he wants to find out D6. Okay. D6 is nothing but in the 6 வந்து இங்க வந்துடணும். Okay. Then n plus 1. இது D நால இது வந்து குவார்டைல் கிடையாது, டெசைல். டெசைல்னா டினாமினேட்டர் என்னவா இருக்கணும், 10 இருக்கணும். பெர்சன்டைல்னா டினாமினேட்டர் 100 இருக்கணும், அவ்வளவுதான் விஷயம். சரி, டினாமினேட்டர் 10 போட்ட, D6 6 இங்க போட்ட, n+1 அங்கேயே போடு. n வந்து 7+1 இல்லையா, 8. 8/10 into 6. இது வந்து 4/5 into 6. 4 into 6 24/5. 24/5 வந்து 4.8. 4.8 ஐட்டம் வந்து ரவுண்ட் ஆஃப் பண்ணினா 5th ஐட்டம் வந்துடும். 5th ஐட்டம் வரணும், சரியா? அப்போ 5th ஐட்டம் எங்க போவ, இங்க போய் பார்த்தா 5th ஐட்டம் 1 2 3 4 5. 5th item is 30.
30. Okay.
Size of 5th item 30 வந்துச்சு. 30 is correct. அவ்வளவுதான் விஷயம். அது இது மென்டல் சம் மாதிரி போட்டுனே இருக்க வேண்டியதுதான். பெர்சன்டைலுக்கும் பாத்துருவாங்க. பெர்சன்டைலுக்கு என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா 50 into இது வந்து இங்க வருது இல்ல, இது இங்க வந்துடணும். பேஸ் வந்து 100 எடுத்துக்கணும் டினாமினேட்டர். n+1 அதே மாதிரி 8. அப்போ வந்து என்ன வருது,
50 into 8
into 8.
Okay.
ரைட்டா? இது half ஆ போய்டும், இது half ஆ போய்டும், 4 ஆ போய்டும். 4th item. ரைட்டா? 4th item வேல்யூ என்னன்னு பாரு.
4
1 2 3 4 28. 4th item
28.
28 போட்டுறானா, அது பாரு வந்துச்சு பாரு கரெக்ட்டா. 28. 28 is there. That's all. So this is how you find out the quartiles, deciles and percentiles for simple discrete data. Simple discrete data. இப்போ வந்து grouped discrete data, not continuous data. Continuous data னா கிளாஸ் வரும், இது group data. ஓகே, அப்போ என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா, அது வந்து அரேஞ்ச் டேட்டா இன் அசெண்டிங் ஆர் டிசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர். ஏதோ ஒன்று அசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர்ல. யூ நெவர் ஃபாலோ டிசெண்டிங், ஆல்வேஸ் யூஸ் அசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர், யூ வில் பி சேஃப். ஓகே, இதுல ஒரு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஸ்டெப் என்னன்னா, find out the cumulative frequency and then apply the formula. Q1 is equal to n+1/4 or Q3 is equal to 3 into n+1/4. ஒரே ஒரு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஸ்டெப், find out the cumulative frequency. பாப்போமா எப்படி பண்றாங்கன்ட்டு. எக்ஸாம்பிள் 8.3ல பார்த்தா நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிடும். பையனா மார்க்ஸ் வாங்கிக்கிறான், 10 மார்க்ஸ் வாங்கிக்கிறான், 4 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. இது வந்து எக்ஸ், இது எஃப். அப்போ ரைட்டா? அப்போ மார்க்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து 10 20 30 40 50 60 எக்ஸ்ல போட்டுருக்கு. எக்ஸ், இது எக்ஸ். அப்புறம் எத்தனை வாட்டி வாங்குறானுங்கன்றத 4. how many times you are getting? 4 7 15 8 7 times 2 times. Okay, that all comes under frequency. Frequency. Now you got it. Okay, now Q1 is you have to find cumulative frequency. CF is cumulative frequency. Okay, first time 4, you have nothing else, only 4. Then 4 plus 7 11. 4 plus 7 equal to 11. That will be cumulative frequency. Then 11 plus 15 26. Okay, இது வரும். 26 plus 8 எவ்வளோ? 34. 26 plus 8 34. You bring down that. 34 plus 7 41. Okay, that's all you got. Okay, then 41 plus 2 43. So sigma n is equal to cumulative frequency. Okay, sorry, actually frequency only. And so n is equal to 43. So earlier n you found out by just taking the number, how many numbers are there, how many data there you are counted in discrete data. But discrete data with frequency, if it comes, you have to calculate n this way. You understand? By taking the cumulative frequency. Okay. So you have to put this table and calculate. That is the extra step. Once you found the extra step, everything is the same. இப்போ n என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு? 43 ஆயிடுச்சு. So Q1 வந்து இங்க 1 வருது, அங்க 1 இருக்குது. n வந்து 43. So 43 plus 1 by 4. 4th item. 43 plus 1 is 44 by 4. 11th item. ஓகே, அப்போ என்ன இருக்கும்? 11th ஐட்டம் போகணும். இப்போ 11th ஐட்டம் அப்பனா இதுல வந்து டிஸ்கிரீட்டா டேட்டா இல்ல இல்லையா, ஐ மீன் தனித்தனியா டேட்டா இல்ல. இப்போ 11 வந்து அப் டு 4 இங்க இருக்கு, அப் டு 11 இங்க இருக்கு. இப்போ 11ல வந்து எந்த மார்க்ஸ் வாங்கியிருக்கான்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா 20 மார்க்ஸ் வாங்கியிருக்கான். ஓகே, இத வந்து L ன்றது lower value எடுத்துக்கணும். சரியா? L ன்றத lower value எடுத்துக்கணும். So you got size of the value is equal to 20. So what is the marks that you are needed? Marks is 20. Okay. Now what he wants to find? He wants to find out D2. Same way, N is 43. D2 will be, this 2 should come here. Now because it's a decile, denominator will be 10. So 2 into 44 by 10. Okay, 2 by 10, 5. 44 by 5, how many should you get? 8.8. Correct? 8.8 na 9th value. 9th value எங்க வருது? 4. இது வந்து up to 4 தான். 4 ல இருந்து 11 வரைக்கும் இங்க இருக்கு. 4 to 11 இங்க இருக்கு. அப்ப 9 இங்க இருக்கும். இதுக்குள்ள பட்சினா என்ன இது? 9th value is also 20. Okay. So value is 20. Understood? What you have to do? You have to go back into the frequency table. If the n plus 1 by 4 or 2 into n plus 1 by 10, that value comes less than 4, then you take 10. If the value comes less than or equal to 11, then the answer is 12. Okay, D2 is equal to 12. Okay, if it is coming less than 26, less than or equal to 26, then the value will be 30. Okay, whatever percentile value or D2 or D3 or D4 will be 30, like that. Okay, let us do one more thing because it is there. Yes, next one is asking P90. Okay, P90 he wants to find out. P90, how to find out? P90 is equal to 90 by 100. Denominator is 100 into 43 plus 1. Okay, you can cut this 9 by 10. That is equal to 9 by 10 into 44. 9 into 44, how much? 36. 36, 396 divided by 10. 396 divided by 10 is equal to 39.6. You find where is 39.6? இது வரைக்கும் வருதா? இல்ல 34 இது வரைக்கும் வருதா? இங்க வருது. 41 அடியில is less than
41.
So what is the corresponding value? 50. So P90 is equal to 50.
50. Okay.
Okay. All the matter. P90 is equal to 50. என்ன போட்டுக்கறான்? கரெக்ட்டா போட்டுருக்கானா? Group data. Now இதான் கஷ்டம். இது எப்ப ஆரம்பிக்குது? We'll finish this. The case of continuous frequency. Okay. Continuous frequency. So far discrete frequency. Even if you had frequency data or discrete data, everything was discrete. Individual data or frequency based data, everything is discrete data. Now only you are going to have class based data. Okay, how do you do it in the case of class based data? The formula is going to change. Instead of n plus 1, you will have only n. You have to make a very important difference. Okay, n plus 1 by 100 அந்த மாதிரி வந்து நிச்சயில்ல 19 இங்க வந்து n by 100 அவ்வளவுதான் வரும். இது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். First arrange in ascending order all that you do. Then what you do? You have to form the formula, very different formula. Very different formula. Let us try to do this. Understand that Q1 is equal to L plus n by 4. N is what? Cumulative frequency. Okay. Like previously only, you have to form the data like this. Class is, see, this is class 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Like that class is there. Okay. Then how many times something occurs? Let us say age. Age is 10 to 20. How many people are found in age 10 to 20? 12 people are found. Right. In age 20 to 30, 19 people are 19. Found. Like that. The frequency is there. What you have to do? You have to calculate cumulative frequency like before. 12, 12. 12 plus 19, 31.
Okay.
Okay. 31 plus 5, 36. 36 plus 10, 46. 46 plus 9, 55. 55 plus 6, 61. 61 plus 6, 67. That is only n. N is equal to 67. This time you should not use n plus 1. Okay, you should use only n by 4. Remember, you should use only n by 4.
N by 4.
Okay, then another thing is the previous cumulative frequency. Okay, this is class interval. Class interval is 10. Why 10 to 20? இது என்னது 10. 20 to 30. இது என்னது 10. Okay, இது class interval வந்து C. Class interval. C means class interval. All usually be 10 or it will be 5. It will be 20 like that. Okay, here the class interval is 10. Very much easy. Frequency. Okay, frequency is in this table. Okay, frequency is the value that you will be taking from here. 19 5 அதுதான் frequency எடுப்பேன். C வந்து always fixed 10 முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. DCF வந்து previous cumulative frequency. Okay, suppose you are going to this row, then the previous cumulative frequency is 12. Suppose you are going for this row, then the previous cumulative frequency is 55. புரியுதா? previous cumulative frequency னா என்னன்னு ஒரு கிளாஸ் மேல அதனுடைய cumulative frequency எடுக்கிறது தான் previous cumulative frequency. L வந்து will always be the lowest in the value, either of these values. எந்த கிளாஸ் குள்ள போறியோ, suppose இந்த கிளாஸ் குள்ள போறேன்னா L உடைய வேல்யூ வந்து lower side 20. L is equal to 20 அப்படி எடுத்துறோம். ஓகே, DCF கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு, L கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு, frequency தெரியும், n என்னன்னு தெரியும், n divided by 4 தெரியும். Now you can start applying the formula. Okay, now what is the difference for what is the difference for Q3? Very simple. The formula is 3 by 4 n. இங்க என்ன ஃபார்முலா போட்ட? இங்க வந்து இந்த 1 வந்து இங்க போயிடுச்சு, 1n by 4. இந்த 3 வந்து இங்க போயிடுச்சு, 3n by 4. அதே மாதிரி இப்போ D6 க்கு போடுறேன்னா L பிளஸ் என்னது வருது, 6n by n minus PCF by F into C. Okay, that's all. Or suppose you want to find P90. P90 is equal to L plus 90n by 100. Okay, minus PCF divided by F into C. You understand? Only which part will be changing for everything? In the ஒரு part தான் change ஆயினே இருக்கும். எந்த part? இந்த part will be changing. Which part will be changing? This part will be changing. Denominator will change. If it is decile, denominator will become 10. If depending on D6 or whatever, இங்க 3 க்கு பதிலா 6 வரும். புரியுதா? அது மத்தபடி formula remains the same. What is the formula? The generic form of the formula is P90 is equal to first L, lowest value. Lowest na அந்த கிளாஸ்ல எது lowest? 60. Lowest value plus 90 into n. N na இது 90 into n, because it is percentile 100. PCF will be இந்த கிளாஸ் உடைய வேல்யூ na
70.
lowest value 17. L will be 70. Okay, இதனுடைய previous cumulative value வந்து 61. Okay, so minus 61 இங்க வரும், divided by frequency. இதனுடைய frequency எவ்வளவு? 6. F is equal to 6. Previous frequency value is equal to PCF is equal to 61. Okay, 61. So that is equal to L வந்து 70 plus 90 by 100 into 67 minus PCF will be 61. Okay, this whole divided by the frequency. Frequency is 6. Okay, multiplied by class value 10. I'll put this value in the let us see. இதுல போட்டா உங்களுக்கு நல்லா புரியும். what you are having, so P of 65 vechiko. Abina L is same thing. Plus 65 into base becomes 100 because you are coming percentile. Okay, decile or percentile. Okay, into what is the thing we are getting? N. Okay, minus PCF. The whole divided by F. The whole multiplied by C. Okay, the formula.
Okay.
So D of 8 L will remain the same.
Okay.
8.
8.
10 into N minus PCF will remain the same. The whole divided by F into C. Q3 L plus
4.
this will become 3 divided by 4 into
One,
N
okay,
minus
okay.
PCF. Okay, the whole divided by F, the whole multiplied by C. C will usually be 10, 5 and the Mari. Okay. Frequency will be, you'll have to read that off. Time aichilla.
Ama.
Okay, we'll do next class then.
Sure.
We learned a lot of things today. Okay. But this formula, very important formula. I am putting this on WhatsApp.
Sure, uncle.
What happened? Come. Okay, all the best.
Sure, uncle.
We'll meet again. When
Yeah.
we're going to meet?
Wednesday.
No, not Wednesday. Tuesday, Thursday.
Oh,
Thursday,
ama.
4:30.
Yeah. Sure, uncle.
We'll meet.
Sure. Have a nice time, uncle. Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Okay, revise all this. Very simple. Revise all this. Okay. Bye, ma'am.